Well guys, I'm fixing to show you how to open the gas cap cover on a Nissan Sentra. Now this is a 2025 model that I'm demonstrating it on, but hey, this works on most models, so I'm sure it'll probably work on yours if it's not a 2025 model. First thing we want to do is we want to go around to the driver's side. Okay, once you got the door open, you want to look down here just to the left of the emergency brake. You'll see a little gas pump symbol right here. What we want to do is stick our fingers in and we want to pull it towards us, and you'll hear a click. All right, there was the click. I hope you heard it. Now let's go back around to the gas cap cover and see if it's open. All right, as you can see, the gas cap cover is open. I'm going to show you something right quick that most people don't know about. When you take your gas cap cover off, most people don't realize, but there's a hook right here. You can just hang this little extension wire on there, and it kind of keeps it out of your way. So that's just a little extra bonus. Well guys, I know that was pretty quick and straight to the point, but hopefully it got your gas cap cover open. Hey, if this helped you out, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, check out my other videos. Till next time, catch you later.